Here we go. Let's begin. Take a new wire harness. New wire harness and the magnetic sensing pressure plate. Next is the position sensor. Now place this component here. Make sure to snap it firmly into position. There's a retaining clip securing this spot. Next, apply tape to this area. Wrap it around. Wrap approximately 7 centimeters of acetate tape, roughly this length. First, guide the wire harness through. Once that's done, next, the connector. Align it properly. With that aligned, now inspect this part. Note the wire and pressure plate. Ensure the plate stays on the exterior. Finally, tidy up the wire here. Once properly aligned, clip it onto this part. Secure it with screws. That's basically how it's done. Next, route the power cable connector. Connect it in place. Now for the arm's signal cable. It's fed through to. Hide the power cable's terminal by pushing it inside. Finally, secure everything with large cable ties. Fasten it once more right here. Next, grab the excess part of the cable tie. Tuck it inside until it reaches the rear section. This conceals it in the designated hidden area. Now proceed to mount the safety lock. Lock it in place using thread locker. But why apply acetate tape? This ensures protection during arm unfolding. Wires are currently consolidated into a single harness. Essentially, acetate tape bonds them as a unified group. Bundle the wire into a single strand. Without tape wrapping, unfolding the arm could snag the wires, forcing the wires outward, pushing them against this strut. Could pinch and damage the wires. With proper taping, folding the arm won't cause issues. And for other arms, repeat the same replacement process. But first route the spray pipe through. Secure all cable ties properly. Lastly, fasten the safety lock. Fasten safety lock.